celebrating the 25th Foundation Day of Dapdap High School. A tribute for the Values Month celebration and the journey of the ESP department teacher and members throughout the years. And with the support of Madam Maria Lourdes M. Sangkap, OIC of the ESP department, and Madam Amalia D. Lising, Principal 3. Let us go back and acknowledge our beloved values teachers from the past and up to this day. Madam Encarnacion Yamzon, Sir Antonio Evangelista, Madam Raquel M. Sula, Madam Lorna M. Gilas, Madam Shirley S. Ayuban, Madam Johanna S. Kayanan, Madam Ofelia P. Malyari, Madam Yolanda E. Dairin, Madam Maria Lourdes M. Sangkap, Sir Edsel S. Ocampo, Madam Emily S. Ikmat, Sir Al Brian B. Mangaya, Madam Lian M. Kidanin, Madam Mary Ann S. Nunag, Madam Liza D. David, Sir Julius B. David, Madam Maria Cristina E. David, Sir Rolando A. Sakatani Jr., Madam Michelle G. Munoz, and Sir Adrian Paul P. Ardena. Here are their several memorable journeys and moments throughout the years. Many more prosperous years yet to come to our beloved THS. Thank you for watching and God bless.